LocalSend is a free program which works on all platforms to send data from one device to another using your home Wi-Fi and without using a USB memory stick, a cable or the internet. Later I'll show how to send a video from a Windows computer to a Linux computer and a music file from Linux to an Android smartphone. To install LocalSend using Firefox and DuckDuckGo, search for localsend.org and press Enter. Go down and press on Download. For Windows, install from the .exe file. For Mac OS, install from the App Store. For Linux, you could install using the terminal. For Android, install from Google Play. For iOS, install from the Apple App Store. I found that LocalSend was already installed on my Linux Mint computer, so I added a shortcut to the panel. I clicked on the shortcut to open LocalSend and noticed a strange name. To change the name, I clicked on Settings, scrolled down to Device Name, typed Linux Mint, then pressed the Restart icon. My Linux PC is now called Linux Mint. At the moment, no nearby devices are on or have LocalSend installed. If using Windows, click on .exe to install LocalSend and put a shortcut on the taskbar. And like on Linux, open LocalSend and give the computer a new meaningful name. On an Android phone, go to the Play Store, search for LocalSend and install the green LocalSend app. Like on Linux, open LocalSend and give your Android phone a meaningful name. My 3 devices all have OpenSend installed, so I can now transfer files. On all my devices I turned Quick Save on to save the receiving device having to accept the file transfer. From my Windows computer, I am now going to send a video to my Linux computer. You can send multiple files at once, but not to multiple devices. Then on my Linux Mint computer, I will find and then play the received video.
Howdy folks, how are y'all? I visited my 2 cousins in Arkansas. After a month of making moonshine or eating pecan pie washed down with sweet tea and speaking with them about kin, some folks say I now sound like a Yank. They haven't been down yonder, but are fixing to visit me sometime.
I will now send music from my Linux Mint computer to my Samsung S10 smartphone. All my videos are 1080p Full HD and best viewed on a large screen, not on a phone. If this video was helpful, look in comments below for links to more great Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, so may your friends. And subscribe to my YouTube channel to be advised when I upload more Linux tutorials.